Two things. Ma'am, Anika downloaded the Kahoot and then did that. So is there any way we can do without downloading the
Yes,
Kahoot?
I think we can do. Shravya wants to tell. Okay, Shravya, you tell me how to do without downloading. Yes, Shravya?
Ma'am, if you can open Google Chrome or any other like web browser. There you have to type Kahoot, and then you'll
Hmm.
first link you'll get to enter game pin. After that, there will be another link. You have to click on that. From there, you can log in your account, and then you can create in the browser only
Can you
with the.
can you can you show this way?
Yes, ma'am. I'll share.
Okay, let us see Shravya's way of making a Kahoot children. I'm making her presenter for some time. Then I will let few children to hands-on practice, and then you have to create Kahoot on your own and show me next week. What's so hard?
Ma'am, so we click on Kahoot.
Ma'am, I didn't understand how to create.
Ma'am, is my screen visible?
Yes.
So here in the web browser we'll type Kahoot and here. So the first link is enter game pin and you have to click on the second link like learning games make learning awesome. Now I'll just log in into my account. So I'll log in into my account and just sharing.
Can you ask?
Shravya, but we can't see your screen.
Yeah, I was just logging in so I stopped it. Now what we have to do is now we will go to the library here and now we'll click on create Kahoot. So when we click on create Kahoot, we'll get it like this. So first of all, we will type our question here. We can insert any media if we like, and here we have to set the title of the quiz. For example, GK quiz. Want we can like set some description like what is this quiz actually about, and then you can choose the language in whichever quiz it is, and then you can also change the music that will play, and you can also add any cover image like when we are starting to play the game. We can like some image can if you want some image to show, then you can just click on add image, and then you can add any image you like. I'm for now just adding a random image, and now we can click on done. After this we can choose like for each question, do we have to keep like four multiple choice option or true or false or any slide. That means if you want to show something or not any quiz, so you can use that slide option. For now we'll use the quiz one. You can also set the time limit here, like if the participant is answering the question, how much time should be given to the participant to answer each question. You can also keep the points, like standard is like the standard points, double is twice points, and no points means even if you answer the correct answer, you will not get any points. You can also change it like single select and multi select. Single select means out of the four option you will be able to select only one. So in case the answer is this red triangle, let's just say being a name of a waterfall. So if this is the answer, then only if we click on single select, only this option will be able, we will be able to click only the red option. But we click on multi select, then we can click on many options and then submit. So it's like that. And then for now I'll type a question. So before that, let me tell you that here when you're adding an image for the question, you can also add images for the answers. For example, just add any random image here. And for now, I'm just adding any image. And if like instead of any text in the answer options, you want to keep any image. So we will, one second, we will click on this image. So it will show add images on answer alternative. When we click on that, we can add any image as our answer, like this for each option. You can also keep some images as like some options as images and some as like text options. These are things that you can use. Now I'm going to change it to single select, and now I'll show you true or false. So in true or false, you can't add an image in the options, but you can add an image in the question. So here also you can change the time limit. You can also change the points, like how many points you want to get. So in a random question. Now here we will have to add the image of Mahatma Gandhi, any image. For now I'm not adding it. Just let's say that here we have the image of Mahatma Gandhi, and so it's true and not false. We have to click on the stick option. So when we click on the stick option, the answer will be set. That means if when the participant is playing the quiz, when we click on true, it will show that it's correct. But in case here in the image it's not Mahatma Gandhi, in the image that we are setting it's not Mahatma Gandhi, then we click on the false options. So if the participant clicks false, so it will show that it's correct. So that's how you have to set the correct answer. You just have to click on that particular option to set the correct answer. And the ones that you have not ticked, that will be the wrong answers. If the player clicks on those answers, then he or she will not get any points. So then something like a slide, like you want to give any explanation for any answer or something like that, you can just add a slide. You have to click on classic. You can type the text whatever you want. This is just like typing a text, and now here we can insert a page, for example. We're writing the slide. I can just download one of these images. And now I'll go to the Kahoot creator and I will click on the insert media. And now here we have to click on upload image. In case you find that the image you want to add is already there in the images that they have given, you can just choose anyone from that. But for now Mahatma Gandhi is not here, so we'll click on upload image. So then we'll click on the image that we just downloaded and it will get uploaded like this. So like this is like a slide. We can just, here it's not like any question, but in the PowerPoint slides etc, like we add, it's like that here. If you want to give any explanation to any question, so like the answer is this, like how the answer is, so then you can just add a slide so that the players can read the slide and get information. For now I'm like deleting it. So those are the three, like mostly there are two types for adding questions, and for presenting there is only a slide option. So like this you can do. For now what I am doing is to just show you, I am keeping it 10 seconds the time limit, the points I am keeping double, and the answer option is multi-select. So here we don't need to add an image in the question. We have to add it in the answer. So we will click on here. I'm uploading the normal image.
Wait. Aditya, are you paying attention? Aditya, are you paying attention? Yes, Shravya.
Yes, ma'am. I'm listening.
Continue, Shravya.
Okay. So after we added the correct answer, we'll just add few other options. For example, I'm going to add Nehru, Jawaharlal Nehru. So I'm just like taking an image of Jawaharlal Nehru. I'm saving it and I'm uploading it here. By clicking on this option, upload image. And so here it will get uploaded. Same you can add Subhash Chandra Bose.
Rest of you, wait, Shravya. Please switch on your video. I want to see how many of you are watching it carefully.
So
Switch
again,
on
we
your
are,
video, everyone. Yes, continue it.
taking an image of Subhash Chandra Bose. We're downloading it and I'm uploading it here, the same base. And for the last option, yeah, so the 1 second, I uploaded that. I'll upload this image. So the same ways we'll do that. So now it will get uploaded, and the last we can take any other freedom fighter, like for example Bhagat Singh. I'm just saving it again and I'm going to upload it here. So I've uploaded all the options. Now what we will do is we will click to set the correct answer. We'll click on Gandhiji. So when the participant will click on the Gandhiji option, so it will show them that it's correct. For now, I'm just saving this quiz. I'm going to click on test this Kahoot. If you want to see if your Kahoot is working fine, so what we will do is we'll click on save first. Now there'll be two options: test this Kahoot, play now. First we'll click on test this Kahoot to see if the Kahoot is working properly. It's working fine. So it's like this, just a testing one. So I'm going to click on classic. So what you have to do is, in the screen only you will see a mobile also. So that just you have to enter the game pin that will be showing here in this big screen. You will just enter it here to test it. So 4801. So I'm going to join it. Just writing my name. So then I will click on start. After you have joined from this mobile, we will click on start in the big screen. So you can see that this is here is like this screen will be shown to the participant. This will be shown to you. So the question is showing who is Mahatma Gandhi. So from here we click on the option triangle, because Gandhiji here is triangle one, and I'll click on submit. So it's showing correct because here we had set the answer as Mahatma Gandhi. So that's how we do it. And for true and false, let's say I'm doing the same question. I'm going to add Bhagat Singh here.
Shravya, we cannot download online. Na? We have to separately download, then we have to upload. Na?
Yes, ma'am. Like if okay, ma'am, I'll just show you, ma'am. So I'll click on insert. Now, ma'am, like here also they'll provide a lot of images. If you think that the image that you have to upload is it's already there, they have given, so you can just select from here and upload it. But if you think that the images is not there, you have to like search on Google. Then you have to save it and then click on upload image, and then you can choose it. So you can also add any video if you like, from YouTube. I'll just show that also. And we have to paste the link here. Basically, so I'm just clicking on any link, random link. I'm going to copy the link address. I'll go back here and I'll paste the link. So after I pasted the link, I'll click on add. So then we can set what time we have to end this and that. So I'm ending it in 10 seconds. I'll click on add. So the video will start to play. Like this, when the player is answering the question, you can also add these videos and like any GIF or something like that. So I'm going to, I'll just go back to editing here. For now, I'm changing this. I'll upload the Bhagat Singh image. I will ask, is this Mahatma Gandhi? Usually we know that the answer is false. So what we will do is, we will click on the false option. We'll put a tick here. So then let's test it if it's working fine. So again, when the game pin will load on the big screen, in this mobile screen we'll enter the same game pin. This is for just testing. when you're playing the game, it will look different. So like I'm entering it and I'm just I'm starting it. So this is how the player screen will look. So it will show that the question is true or false and you're getting double points. So is this Mahatma Gandhi? So we know the option is false. For now, I know that the answer is false, but I will click on true to see if I'm getting wrong or correct. It's showing that I have done wrong because I clicked on the wrong answer, though the correct answer was false. So like that you can test the app if it's working fine. Yes ma'am, that's it for that. And yeah, you can also set any time limit you like. If you think it's a very difficult question, then you can set about 2 minutes or 4 minutes. And if you think it's a very easy question, the players can answer it very quickly. You can keep 10 seconds, 20 seconds, like in seconds. But if you think it's difficult, you can keep it in minutes. You can also change the points like no points, standard, or double points. That's your wish. So that's it we have to do to create that Kahoot. You can add as many like questions, slides, anything you like. So yeah. Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, I also wanted to ask, like, if we do it in this quiz, ma'am, how do we make that option where where we can see the questions in our screen only? We don't have to look.
Kiara, what you have to do for that is first you'll click on play here. Host. Now game options here. So here show question on player, show question and answer on play on devices. We'll just click on. So when the player will be playing that quiz, so the question and answers will be shown on the player's devices. Here you can also change any lobby music like. And there's something called a friendly nickname generator.
Somebody can try hands on. Riyan, आप try करोगे एक बार? ठीक है
Yes.
Shavya, let us get try some child who has never made it. He can try. And I'm unmuting everyone, but everybody will not speak all together. Okay, I'll call out the name from the yellow hands. Okay.
And next one. Me, ma'am.
Yes, Naksh, what's your question?
Ma'am, I want to say I have never made Kahoot. I can try.
Okay, Riyan, आज नक्श को chance दे दे.
Ma'am, Avleen, can I try? Ma'am, Riyan, ma'am, can I try? Ma'am, I have a
नक्श
question.
का तो name ही नजर नहीं आ रहा.
I'm Anika. Can we play my Kahoot?
नहीं बेटा आज खेल नहीं पाएंगे. आज हम सिर्फ नक्श को try करवा रहे हैं. So that he can do it and Shravya can help him out and I can
Ma'am, I
also.
never created a
You are a presenter now. Share your screen, Naksh.
Ma'am, I can help you now.
Yeah, your questions.
Ma'am, how to add balls?
How to add false?
No, not
Okay.
ma'am, balls.
Yeah, after Naksh
Please, I want to ask a question.
After
Wait,
Naksh
not like
finishes
this.
this, I will show you how to add balls.
Okay. Please, I want to ask a question.
First, tell your name.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Naksh, you have to write a Gmail email ID, NKSH, then add the
Not your name.
on the username. Do you have an email ID or not? Naksh, do you have an email ID?
Ma'am, but I don't know the password.
Naksh,
Are you sure you have made an email ID?
Naksh, if you don't have any email ID for yourself, just go back. Can you see that? Don't have an account, then create it. Can you see that? Wait it will load.
Nox, you can use your school ID.
Okay, yes.
Ma'am,
Naksh, click on the first option.
started creating a. Which one? This one?
Yeah, click on that. Now, Naksh, click on sign up. Click on student. Just enter your birthday date and you can continue.
No.
Like,
when you were
when were you born? Just enter that year
not this year. 2011.
and continue. Click on, just write your name there. Enter next. Enter your name.
Do not use your real name. Next, don't use Nux.
Okay, if you want to like tell them to create any nickname for you, just click on those. Can you see some bond kind of thing? Just click on that. If you don't want to use your real name.
You can do Nux at Nux D470. That.
First, next type your name. Just type your name.
But here is written don't use your real name.
Yeah, if you don't want to use your real name, then you can click on that magic wand option. Then they will automatically create some random nickname. Yeah, something like that.
आराम से शीशा में
You
टूट
can
जाए.
choose anyone from it.
Hero Kitten 79.
Now, just use any email ID and type the password.
This is a phone number. Be careful. Write something which you remember. Do you remember this phone number? Right.
Next, you can take the screenshot.
Next, click on continue with Google. Next,
Ma'am, can you
click on
mute
continue
everyone?
with
Do
Google.
continue
Excuse me,
with
ma'am.
Google.
Click on continue with Google. Next,
You
click
can't
on
mute
continue with
yourself.
Google. Yeah, click on that. Now click on any one email ID.
But I don't know the password.
Oh, then you won't be able to log in for that.
I can do the phone number. I have
No,
remembered.
you have to enter the email ID, Naksh, not the phone number. It's only given email ID.
Okay, I am entering email ID. But I don't know the here.
Is this an email account or like, is this any phone number?
Phone number.
Naksh, like you have to use an email ID, not a phone number.
But I have not email ID.
Yeah, but I know that you don't remember the password, but you can't log in with a phone number.
What I can do now? Continue with my Microsoft.
Do you have any Microsoft account?
Oh, no, I haven't any not.
Yes, yes, Naksh. Your Microsoft account is in which you play, in which you are in the Teams. Your
Yes,
Teams
yes,
is the Microsoft account.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, next you can use your school one.
School
only,
ID
like the Microsoft.
of that Venkateshwara school dot on Microsoft.com.
Yeah,
Click on the,
that one, that
click
one.
the first one. Then you should know the password. Again, they are asking.
Ma'am, for that it will not ask.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, like this.
Okay, now you have entered it. Oh, very good. Now keep on trying making it. You have seen Shravya's video, and I will also send now I will send this recording on YouTube. मैं YouTube पे डाल के आपको send कर देती हूँ group में, ठीक है? फिर आप उसको देखना. Yes, Riyan. I'm muting you for some time, but you will not speak together. One by one, I will take a name and that child will speak. Okay, so that we can have a nice, good conversation. Yes, Riyan. Question.
Ma'am, I also want to make a Kahoot.
हाँ तो बना सबको बनाना है बट अभी नहीं बना सकते टाइम इज ओवर
Okay, ma'am.
I have to do some work now. Do on your own. Okay, those who can do, take your book and do on your own. Make 10 questions in one Kahoot. Use 10 questions from your GK book, any page. Use pictures, use true false, any creativity. This is your level of understanding. You can use any creativity.
Like somebody was asking how to create.
Ma'am, I have used different images available in my computer and I have made a Kahoot. Can I show? Ma'am, can I show how to make a Kahoot?
No. Question, only question.
Ma'am, can I show my Kahoot? Ma'am, I just want to show my Kahoot.
Ma'am, like I'm Shravya, I wanted to tell that somebody was asking how to create calls. So actually the polls option is available when you know upgrade, when you pay some money to Kahoot, when you change your account to a premium account, you have to pay money for that. That's when you can use the polls option and the polls option and the slide with text, images or video option. Like
Have you paid for it? Did you buy it? Shavya, did you buy it?
I am not paid.
Excuse me,
In
ma'am.
the free version, only questions with multiple choice, true or false, and slides are available. The polls and those things have to be paid for that. We have to pay to Kahoot for that.
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Hmm.
Precious only have already started making a count. Ma'am, can you make Anika the presenter? I will show once again.
No, not now. Now the class time is over. We have to leave class. Now we'll meet in next class. Be ready with your Kahoot. If you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp Shravya. Okay? The classmates. You will see the video.
Shravya or me? Ma'am, Shravya or me?
The book pages which we have done. The book
Ma'am, they
pages
can
which
message
we have done.
Ma'am, if someone does not understand, they can message
Ma'am,
Shravya
can
or
we
me.
leave?
Not understand. Those who did not understand will see the video. I will send you a video of today's class. शबिया ने जो समझाया उसको वीडियो मैं अभी डाल रही हूँ आपको YouTube पे, ठीक है?
Ma'am, can we leave?
Yes, you can leave. Those who want to leave,
Ma'am, I have made a mixed Kahoot.